it. Yeah.
So this is Mommy leaving her baby. I'm taking a little movie.
Oh,
leaving her little babies with the most competent mommy in the world. That one. Because she kept me alive, and that was amazing. And that was the advice she gave me. That was the advice she gave me. Not even interested in Mom.
See you later.
Froggy Lovey.
You take a picture of how sad I am that you're leaving.
He's not. I know. They're going to be just fine. And Mommy and Daddy are going to have a good time.
Yeah, we need that break.
We do. We do.
Had a night out.
No. Well, the one time we had a babysitter, we were so stressed out about getting back for the babysitter.
Did you have a babysitter?
We did. Michael Bark's daughter. It was a little stressful. And so the two talkers are going to have a little conversation. Yeah, no one's gonna miss Mommy when Abu's in his house. Chatting. Alright, Audley. Love you, buddy. You have fun with your grandma. You have fun with your grandma. Love you guys. Alright. Bye-bye.